Many overseas customers ask us the same question. Why does thermal paper wrinkle so easily in our country during slitting? The real reason is not the machine, it's humidity. Thermal paper is made from wood pulp-based paper, which naturally absorbs moisture from the air. When workshop humidity rises above around 65%, the paper begins to expand, soften, and lose strength. Once this softened paper enters the slitting machine, tension, roller pressure, and rewinding force start to deform the web. As a result, you'll see wave wrinkles, cross wrinkles, or even interlayer wrinkles inside the finished rolls. This issue is especially common in Southeast Asia, South America, and Middle Eastern regions, where high humidity and long sea shipping expose jumbo rolls to moisture even before production begins. So how do we solve it? First, control workshop humidity between 45% and 60%. Second, let jumbo rolls acclimate for at least 24 hours before slitting. Third, reduce web tension and rewind pressure. And finally, use spreader rollers like banana rollers to flatten the web at high speed. Remember this, thermal paper wrinkling is not a machine failure. It's the combined result of moisture absorption, fiber expansion, and tension imbalance.